Everyday English expressions. Serve one right. Meaning, someone deserves the bad result of their actions. How to use. Often said when someone faces the consequences of their own mistake. Examples. He lied in the exam and got caught. It serves him right. If you don't study and fail, it just serves you right. So far, so good. Meaning, things are going fine up to now. How to use. Used when something is in progress and you're asked how it's going. Examples. We are halfway through the project, so far so good. The baby is adjusting well, so far so good. Sort of. Meaning. Kind of. To some extent, but not exactly. How to use. Often softens what you say, especially in casual talk. Examples. I'm sort of tired, but I will come. It's sort of like a mini vacation, not a full trip. Speak up. Meaning. 1. Talk louder. 2. Express your opinion boldly. How to use. With people who are too quiet or afraid to say something. Examples. I can't hear you. Could you speak up? If you think it's unfair, you should speak up about it. Stay put. Meaning. Remain where you are. How to use. Often a command, telling someone not to move. Examples. You just stay put while I get help. The kids stayed put during the storm. Take for granted. Meaning. 1. Assume something will always be there. 2. Fail to appreciate. How to use. When people stop valuing something because they're used to it. Examples. Don't take it for granted that she'll always forgive you. We often take clean water for granted until there is a shortage. Take time off. Meaning. To stop working, studying for rest or personal reasons. How to use. When talking about breaks, vacations, or sick leave. Examples. I'm taking time off next week for a holiday. She took time off to care for her sick father. 10-2. Meaning. 1. Usually do something. 2. Care for someone something. How to use. To show habits or responsibility. Examples. I tend to wake up early, even on weekends. The nurse tends to the patients all night. Think highly of. Meaning. To admire or respect someone or something. How to use. For positive opinions about people or things. Examples. The teacher thinks highly of his students. I think highly of her work ethic. Trade in. Meaning. Exchange something old for credit towards a new one. How to use. Common with cars, phones, or electronics. Examples. He traded in his old phone for the latest model. We will trade in our car when we buy a new one. Short conversation using these words.
Ravi. Hey Meera, how's your new project going?
Meera. So far, so good. But I tend to overthink details.
Ravi. Don't worry. People think highly of your work.
Meera. Thanks. By the way, why didn't Arun join us today?
Ravi. He's feeling under the weather, so he decided to take time off.
Meera. Oh, that makes sense. I told him to rest and stay put at home.
Ravi. Yeah. Last week he ignored his health and still went out. It really served him right when he got sicker.
Meera, true. We shouldn't take health for granted.
Ravi, exactly. Anyway, when you present tomorrow, remember to speak up. The managers sit far away.
Meera, got it. I'll do my best, though I'm still sort of nervous.
Ravi, you'll be fine. And hey, are you planning to trade in your old laptop soon?
Meera, yes, I will. It's too slow now.